Our homes are more than just bricks and mortar. They are our sanctuary, our safe space, and the heart of our family life. Everyone deserves to live in a warm, safe, and comfortable home. However, maintaining and improving our homes can be expensive. Unexpected repairs, essential upgrades, or adapting a home for changing needs can put a strain on finances. The good news is that you don't have to go it alone. Local authorities in the UK offer a range of support to help homeowners and renters make necessary improvements. This help can make a huge difference, turning a house that needs work into a home you love. Local authorities offer different types of assistance for home improvements. Grants are available for essential work, like fixing a leaky roof or installing a new boiler. You may also be eligible for a loan with lower interest rates than commercial banks. This can be a big help for larger projects. Some councils even provide labour support for specific groups, like elderly or disabled residents. The type and amount of help vary depending on your circumstances and where you live. Contact your local council to find out what's available in your area. It's important to remember that everyone has the right to live in a decent home. The law protects you from discrimination when accessing home improvement assistance. It doesn't matter your race, religion, age, gender, or disability. Everyone deserves equal access to safe and comfortable housing. If you believe you've been unfairly denied assistance, don't hesitate to seek advice from your local Citizens Advice Bureau or another relevant organization. Finding out about home improvement assistance is easy. Start by visiting your local council's website. Look for the Housing or Home Improvement section. You'll usually find information about available schemes, eligibility criteria, and how to apply. You can also call or visit your council in person. Be prepared to provide basic information about your property, income, and the improvements you need. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Improving your home can have a positive impact on your health, well-being, and quality of life.